Introduction to the Goodyear retreading process. First is the buffing station. This is where we buff off the old tread down to 4/32 of rubber left on the tire. Next would be the sky station, where we grind any imperfections that the buffer could not hit. Anything that has a hole goes to the repair station for a patch, whether it's a section or a nail hole. Then the Retrax AZ machine for a layer of rubber for a base for the tread to bond to. Next is the building station. We have two types of building, Precure and Unicircle. Precure comes in a roll and gets spliced together, and the Unicircle is a one-piece mold injected tread that is laser guided onto the casing. Next step is the chamber area. Every tire goes into an envelope with two Sherlocks on the bead area, creating a seal. Each envelope gets hooked onto a line in the chamber so the proper heat and pressure is applied to each tire. Next, the tire goes into a high pressure tester. Each tire gets aired up to 115 psi to check for any separations in the tire. Then we print a finished goods label and paint the tire. Thanks for viewing K&R Retread's process in the retread facility.